Hey, what's up? Brent for Brent Speed. Happy Friday. Thanks for watching Brent Speed TV. Today we're going to watch a dyno pull on a 14 GT automatic running 93 octane. Pretty stock car. We installed the Gen 5 Whipple. It's a stage 2 kit. Hey, I have Doug with me. We're going to go down and take a look. But if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us, stay up to date. Let's go check it out. All right, before we watch this dyno pull, there's not a whole lot to tell you because this car is pretty stock. We're talking stock exhaust manifolds, stock cats. But Doug, come down, take a look. It's the killer Gen 5 Whipple. One of my favorite. You get the big 132 throttle body, larger injectors. It comes with a fuel pump, voltage booster, nice enclosed air box. We are running a Whipple calibration. This comes with a 3.875 pulley. What else? Well, we installed a rear cylinder head cooling kit. One cool thing is this kit does come with a 180 thermostat, so that's installed. Besides that, pretty much it. We did do an aluminum drive shaft, some suspension, but it's an automatic 93 octane. Hey, what's this cost to get installed? Email quote@brentspeed.com, then open that description. I'll put a link to this kit. You can read a lot more about it, but right now, check out this dyno pull. All right, really good numbers. Come on, remember, Gen 1. We're not talking 15 to 17 or 18 plus. Just a stock engine, Gen 1 Mustang. DynoJet SAE, 639 raw horsepower, 6,900 RPM. This is what I love. 522 torque, peaking at 4,800 RPM. Go wide open throttle. Check this out, Doug, about 3,500. We're approaching the 500 mark. Boom, all the way across the board. That makes for a fast car. You know, put a Whipple like this on, you're 11 to 14, comes with a calibration, get an automatic, this car is gonna rip on the street. So hey, if you have any questions, leave a comment. My name's Brent. Again, we're located in Indiana, www.brentspeed.com. And hey, details, boom, read more about it, quote@brentspeed.com. What's it cost to get built? Thanks for watching.